Good morning. Today, we turn our attention to a pressing issue that has sparked widespread outrage across India. The cruelty towards animals and the shockingly low penalty for such offences have become a focal point of national debate. Our correspondent brings you the details.
The issue of animal cruelty in India has once again come under intense scrutiny, as the nominal penalty of ₹50 for such offences is being widely criticized. This outdated penalty, part of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960, is grossly seen as inadequate in today's context. Recent incidents of animal abuse have horrified the nation, from pets being abandoned and mistreated to stray animals subjected to unimaginable cruelty. These acts have been captured and shared widely on social media, yet those responsible face only minimal fine of ₹50, a penalty that many argue does nothing to deter future offences.
Thank you, Kushi Sheikh, for reaching out. Hashtag No More 50, as we all know, a protest that's been ignored by the government year after year. It's absolutely unacceptable for somebody to most brutally murder an innocent animal and get away with a mere fine of ₹50, and it's high time that it changes. There are certain provisions of the new BNS, like the Section 325, that does provide for relatively better punishments, but I would say that's still not enough. And Section 325 does not even provide for sexual abuse against animals. So it's high time the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960 is modified to include stringent, non-bailable jail terms and punishments, and we are going to fight until that happens. Thank you.
According to the latest statistics, cases of animal cruelty have been rising steadily. Activists argue that the part of the reason is lack of stringent punishment. They are calling for immediate amendments to the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, demanding penalties be significantly increased. क्या आपको लगता है ₹50 पेनल्टी फॉर एनिमल्स सही है या गलत है और क्यों?
गलत है, बहुत गलत है, क्योंकि जो ₹50 पेनल्टी है ये बहुत पुराना कानून है, उसके ऊपर अमल होना चाहिए। जानवर भी एक इंसान होता है, उसको मारने का किसी को हक नहीं है, उसको तकलीफ़ देने का किसी को हक नहीं है, उसके खिलाफ़ कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए। वो भी एक इंसान है, उसमें भी जान है, उसको मारना बहुत गलत है और मुझे लगता है ₹50 चार्ज है तो उससे भी ज़्यादा गलत है। उसके ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ और एक्शन, बड़ा एक्शन लेना चाहिए।
Public sentiment is clear. Protests have erupted in various parts of the country, with people demanding justice for animals and stricter laws against cruelty. Social media campaigns are also gaining momentum, with hashtags like Justice for Animals is trending nationwide. The call for the reform is growing louder. Activists and concerned citizens are united in their demand for stronger laws and harsher penalties for animal cruelty.
As the debate continues, it remains to be seen how fast the legislative changes can be implemented. For now, the fight for animals' rights and justice carries on. Stay with us for more updates on this developing story.